Hey guys, this is Shivkumar and welcome back to another video. In this today's video, I'm going to unbox my new smartphone gimbal, that is Osmo Mobile 3 from DJI, and let's check out what is there inside this. We have this user guide, and this is the gimbal, and I will come to this later. This is the C-type charging cable. We get this wrist supporter. You can easily tie this end to the gimbal, and you can take support of your hand so the gimbal doesn't fall from your hand when you're doing very fast movement or if you're running around with the gimbal. And next is the this soft pouch to carry your gimbal. We also get a tripod. If you want to place your gimbal on the floor, then you can use this. And we get this nice carry case to carry your gimbal. This is very useful when you are traveling a lot. The gimbal will be safe inside this. And one more thing is these two comes under Osmo Mobile 3 combo. When you opt for combo, the first step is you need to unlock this gimbal. Just need to move this up, and next we need to unlock this one. We need to just turn this, and it's done. So now I will show you guys what are the controls it has, and later we'll discuss more about these buttons. So first we have this M button, and this is stop and record button. So this is a joystick where you can move your gimbal in all the directions, and at this side we have this zoom in and zoom out button, and at the end we have one more. This is trigger button, and this is where you can charge your gimbal, and this is where you can charge your phone. As you can see, I have mounted my phone on the gimbal. While placing your phone, make sure that the camera is facing in this direction. And after this, we need to balance this phone. To do that, we need to hold the motor on the right side and bring the phone to the center and leave it there. So if it is falling off, then the phone is not balanced. So to make this balance, we need to bring the phone exactly at the center, and then try. So it's still, the phone is not exactly at the center, and now you can see that the phone is not falling off, so it's balanced in horizontal direction. Now we need to make the same in vertical as well. To adjust in the vertical, we need to move this clip exactly at the center, and once it's done, you can try it out again. Now you can see the phone is balanced in both the directions, and now it's ready to go. Now let's check out all the features and how we can use those controls on the gimbal. To turn on the gimbal, we need to press and hold the M button for few seconds, and by default it goes to portrait mode. And the next step is you need to connect your gimbal with a DJI Mimo app. So this is the app from DJI where you can control your gimbal with the app itself, or you can use the controls present on the gimbal as well. And next is, if you press the M button once, it switches from photo to video, and if you press the M button twice, it changes the view from portrait to landscape mode, and for 3 times it goes into standby mode. You can release it by pressing the trigger button twice. So this is start and stop record button. You can use it for taking photo as well. The next one is the joystick. You can use this and move your gimbal in whatever the direction you want. And the next is a trigger button. Once you press, it goes to active track mode where it tracks the person or the subject you are selected. Press and hold. So now you can see my phone is moving upwards. Whenever I move it, it goes up and down. So if I just do this action, so I can lock any subject while shooting.
And next, if you double press and hold it, the sport mode is enabled. So here the motor moves very fast to get the smooth footage. And next, when you press the trigger button 3 times, you can switch between the back and the front camera. So this is a story mode where uh, the app itself take photos and create a small footage. Only thing we need to do is we need to place the gimbal at different locations. It takes a picture there and as well as add a transition to it. It also has gesture control. When you make a peace symbol and when the app finds it, it gives you a signal by flashing the lights and it starts recording the subject.
I forgot to tell you guys the main reason why I got this gimbal, because I wanted to shoot or get a very smooth footage. Now I will show you guys two clips. The first clip which I shot without the gimbal, just with the hands, and the next one is with the gimbal. You can just look the difference between both of them. So these were the some of the features from the gimbal. And coming to the cost now, so it costed me around 11K. And if you go for Osmo Mobile 3, it will cost you around 10K. So I'll show you some of the thing which I was using before this to make the videos. So this is the one. It's called a Gorilla tripod. So this is very cheap. It will cost you around 500 to 600 rupees. So you can make it any shape or you can just hang it to somewhere if you want. And this is the best thing if you just started making videos or if you just started taking photos or photography. And one more thing which I recently got this. This is a mic from a Boya. So this is also very nice. It has a nice video or audio quality. So right now which one I'm using. So who can buy all these things? So if you're a new YouTuber and you started making 3 to 4 couple of videos like me, so you must need to upgrade to this gimbal. This may, or there are some more gimbals which cost you around less than 10K. You can go for that. And if you just started and you're not sure that you'll be continuing or you are in some doubt, then you can go for this Gorilla tripod. And this is much for everyone. Like nowadays we attend a lot of meetings and everything is going online, and you need this mic to get a clear audio. And that's it for today's video. If you want to buy any of these things, I have put up the link in the description. You can check it out there. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.